What happened? Well, she was putting that creepy doll to sleep.
Yeah.
She stopped. She looked up. She definitely felt something. So I slowly walked over to her, and as I got close,
Wait.
I...
What are you doing? No. Don't do this. Hey, don't do this, okay? Blue. Hey. I swear to God, I will never speak to you again as long as I live. Don't do this, please. Look at me. Do not do that. Please. Hey. No.
What if I told you imaginary friends are real? And when their kids grow up, they're forgotten.
Are any of them scary?
Worse. Desperate.
Question, why did these kids forget about us in the first place?
Last week, I just started falling apart.
You're sucking the oxygen out of the room.
Honestly, Doc, if this is how it's going to be, I'm just going to wheel myself back and plug in.
We've started a matchmaking agency to help IFs find new kids.
Or we just disappear.
Blue. Happy place, happy place.
Oh, coffee and croissants. Coffee and croissants.
I can help you.
How?
I'm a kid.
You are the chosen one.
No. Let's not give her a complex.
Good luck, short stack. It's all up to you. No pressure.
Hook and dagger.
Hope this works.
All right, let's find these ifs some kids.
Chief!
What kind of a kid creates an invisible if?
I can find anyone. Anywhere.
You got him enough.
Thanks for doing this.
Don't look him in the eye.
Which one?
Yeah, that's gonna grow right back.
Am I disappearing? Oh, all right, I'm not ready for this. I need to throw up, or I need a snack. It's one of the two.
Gross.
You have to help them.
Yes, we do.
I'm not gonna ask you again. Put some pants on. You're freaking everyone out.
How'd it go? Oh my God.
Does this make us partners?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, shall we?
Keith!
And Mom said too much candy isn't good for your tummy, but I said, oh my God,
Wow, my eyes can taste it.
I'm so sorry.
You don't taste that in your eyeballs?